Hey everybody, I just wanted to pop in really quick and let you know that I have put a new tutorial out on Thinkific, and it's very economical, and I'm going to teach you how to create my favorite so far that I think I've ever done with the resin, Rainbow Explosion 13-inch resin tray. And then I did a bonus video that goes in the same course, creating a bowl as well, a freeform bowl. So I'll show you how to make both of these beautiful creations in the tutorial on Thinkific. So go check it out and make some beautiful resin pieces. I'm looking forward to seeing what you can create. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.